Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today, let us discuss our second experiment, working with dataset using pandas. We have to import Titanic dataset. The first question is display all the columns that have null on its mount. First, open a Google Colab. We have to import a file. Here we can see the file upload. So it's already uploaded. So you just have to place it. That's all open. Here we can see the Titanic dataset. Just right click it, copy the path and place over here to import a dataset. The next, we will see the first question. Display the columns that have all the null on its count. First, we have to input a display all the columns that have null. Null means we have to use this keyword is null. It displays all the columns which is null. With sum is greater than zero. So we can see over here. It displays all the null values. Age, consumption, cabin, data type. It displays how many null values are there. In age, there are 177 null values. In cabin, there are 687 null values. In embarked, there are two values. And then second question, display the data type of each column. You have to display the data set, which type it is. So data dot d types. It will display the data types. Can say here, passenger ID is a integer, survived is also integer, P class is also integer, name is object, sex object, age is a float. Like that, we can see the which type of data it is. And third question is display the statistical description. We have to describe description, statistical description. We have to describe the numerical columns. First one. First one data dot describe means we can represent the numerical columns. See we can here. And non-numerical columns is data dot describe include object. We can see the numerical columns and these are the non-numerical columns. And fourth one, display the rows with sex is equal to male and count. Which are the male, we have to display all this and we have to count how many are there. Male is equal to data set dot data of sex equal to male. That means the sex row which is equal to male, it displays all those values. So print male and it we have to count right. So that count is equal to length of male. So here we can see the male passengers, passenger ID, sex, everything is male. You can see here everything is male. And these are the details. And how many count is 577. So fifth one is display the name age of first and pharaohs where embark is C. We have the column as embark, which is C. We have to display those values. So result equal data of embark is equal to C. That means name, we have to print name age, top 25, we have to print. So that head 25. Also print result. Yeah, we can get the values. See. These are the embarked C, top 25 values. See. And the next, display the rows with age greater than 20 and survived 0. Those who are greater than 20 and survived 0. So we have to display those values. So data age is should be greater than 20. So we have to use age of greater than 20. And also survived should be 0. So data of survived should be 0. So we can see the value. Age who are greater than 20 is, these are the IDs. Survived is equal to 0. And the next seventh one, display top 10 rows where age is null. We have to display the top 10 rows whose age is null. So data age is NA. Is NA means null. And we have to display top 10, right? So that we have to use head 10. So you can see over here whose values is null. So it displayed everything. Whose values are null. Display max, min, and mean of the fare. We have the fare column in the data set. We have to display those max, min, and mean. Maximum fare is equal to data of fare. Data of fare, it should represent column of fare. And max, it displays the max value. Same like minimum and mean value. So we can see here. This is a maximum fare, minimum fare, and mean fare. And ninth one, display unique values in embarked. Display, we have to display the unique values in embark. Data of embark dot unique. It displays the unique values in that column, particular column. So this SCQR and null is the unique values in this embarked column. And the next, add new fare column. We have to add the new fare column in this. So data of new fare is equal to data fare plus 100. It fare is already present in that data set. So we have to add the fare plus 100 in this new fare and print the data dot shape. So it adds the new column as new fare. So shape after adding new fare is 891 comma 13. It's increased. You can see that. Drop new fare permanently. We have to drop the new fare permanently. Data dot shape. That is first one. 891.13. We can see here. And after dropping data dot drop columns new fare. We have to drop new fare, right? So new fare will drop the columns and in place true. So data dot shape. If you print now, we can see here. It is before it is 13 and now we can see it is 12. So it is dropped already. And we will go for 12th one. Drop rows with null values. We have to drop rows with the null values. Clean data is equal to data dot drop null. Clean data dot shape. It drops the rows null values. Shape after dropping rows with null values is 183.12. We can see here we 891, but here 183 because it drops all values with null, rows with null. So append two rows. We have to append the two rows. First new row is equal to PD dot data frame. This is the first row, and then this is the second row. We have to drop these rows. Data is equal to PD dot concat. Data new rows. Ignore the index true. We have few print now. It will shape after shape after appending two rows. After adding the two rows, we can see the rows and number of rows and number of columns. Fill the null values in cabin with A100. We have to fill values which is a cabin having value A100. Date of cabin is null. Sum and cabin is equal to data cabin. Fill null A100. Data cabin is null. Sum. If if you type like this, we can see the output null count is cabin before filling 687. Null count in cabin after filling is 0. We show that there is 0 null values. And then fifth one, group by embark. We have to group by embark. Data dot group by embark of size. It represents the size of the embarked group. So you can see embarked C is 169, Q is 77, S is 645. And the last one, sort by 4. We have to sort everything by fare. So sorted data is equal to sort dot data dot sort values by equal to fare. Fare will sort. So print sorted data. It prints the sorted data which is by fare. We can say 899 rows and 12 columns. So thank you.